Heather's home hasn't seen much improvement since she moved in with her daughter Ryleigh 8 years ago.
We always had sheets covering the couch, number one for the dogs, number two because, well, they were ugly.
The single mom just hasn't had much time or money to make repairs, especially since her own mother died last year.
They don't have as much help for, even though she's a teenager now, you still need help somewhere, some places.
Then a childhood friend nominated her for Rebuilding Together OKC's She Builds project, and over the past week, Crossings Community Church rallied more than 240 volunteers to give Heather's home a complete renovation, with women taking the lead.
And I looked at their faces, and they said, I can do this. You know, I don't have to rely on somebody else. And we're hopeful that that same power comes through to Heather.
They did it all. I had a woman teach me how to use a saw even, and that was awesome.
This project is proof that empowerment works.
Oh my gosh, it's so different.
Beyond the fresh coat of paint,
They put the shutters up and new numbers.
each room inside
It's just beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
has its own new character.
It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. It's
better for Heather and Ryleigh's health,
they took the mold wall out. That was big.
and keepsakes like this rocking chair are front and center.
My grandma passed away the day I found out I was pregnant with Ryleigh, so it's kind of super special that we got to keep that in here.
Heather tells me she feels her mom's spirit stronger now than she has in months.
It's so her. It's so mom. She would love this.
And her new home marks the start of a new chapter.
It's so clean. I didn't even think it was this clean when we moved in.
In the village,
Still can't believe this is my house. It's not my house. It's crazy.
Jesse Mitchell, Oklahoma's own News 9.